Hello everyone. 여러분 안녕하세요. I'm Korean Uncle Jay. 저는 코리안 엉클 제이입니다.
떡볶이 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 떡볶이
야, 통닭 좀 먹어.
괜찮아. 너 얼굴 하얀 거 봐야. 맨날 귀여운 애만 있지 말고 운동 좀 해. 야, 배 이거 뭐야 이거 배야 등이야 이거 어떡한 거 이거 없어.
In the Unit 9, we will learn the words we need to make friends. Especially in Chapter 1, we will learn various Korean words such as boyfriend, girlfriend, schoolmate, hobbies, family, and so on. Okay, good. Let's get started. In general, a friend refers to people of the same age and close people. 친구. A friend is 친구 in Korean. Listen carefully and repeat. 친구. 친구. 학교 친구. 학교 친구 refers to someone close to you at school. In general, it refers to someone the same age as me. But that person may be older or younger than me. 회사 친구. 회사 친구. 회사 친구 refers to a person who has become close friends at work. Listen carefully and repeat. 회사 친구. 회사 친구. 학교 친구. 회사 친구. We can say this when we need to explain to someone where we met our friends. Usually we just say 친구. So, how do you say girlfriend and boyfriend in Korean? 여자친구. 여자친구. 남자친구. 남자친구. In Korea, the word 친구 is sometimes used to refer to someone you are dating. That's easy, right? Okay, good. Let's move on to the next one.
조사님, 궁금한 게 있어요. 왜 아무도 저를 좋아하지 않는 겁니까?
As you can see in this video, close friends talk about their troubles and comfort to each other. 친한 친구. A close friend is 친한 친구 in Korean. 절친. This is an abbreviation for 절친. 찐친. In slang, it is sometimes referred to as 찐친. 베프. In slang, it is sometimes referred to as 베프. This is an abbreviation of the word best friend. 친한 친구. The word 친한 친구 is a combination of the adjective 친한 and the noun 친구. Let's move on to the next one.
제 여자친구입니다.
근데 여친이 뭐야?
As you can see in this video, this word girlfriend is 여자친구 in Korean. This is regardless of age and refers to a woman you date before marriage. 여친. This is an abbreviation for 여자친구. 여자친구. The word 여자친구 is a combination of the noun 여자 and the noun 친구. Okay, good. Let's move on to the next one.
혜진이 남자친구입니다.
너 내 남친 좀 해야겠다.
As you can see in this video, this word boyfriend is 남자친구 in Korean. This is regardless of age and refers to a man you date before marriage. 남친. This is an abbreviation for 남자친구. 남자친구. The word 남자친구 is a combination of the noun 남자 and 친구. You're doing well. This is the end of the class. Today we'll learn about various word plans. Be sure to read the words you learned today. Then, look forward to the next time. Thank you for watching till the end. See you next time. 다음에 또 만나요. Bye.
I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the